wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that, show.
Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, I am fine. Thank you so much for tuning in. If it is your first time here, gorgeous, you are highly welcome. So today I will be revealing this unit from Soulady. It is bob and the hair is 5x5 or so. Yeah, don't worry, all information about the hair will be on the description box. The hair is just everything. It is bob. One thing I like with bob hair is very easy to take care of. You don't sweat with bob hair. You don't sweat. It's very easy to carry if you are a mom, if you are that type that don't like long hair. I'm telling you, you're going to love this one because you can tongue it, you can just flip the bob up, you can flip it down, you can kind of, how would I make it wavy, anyhow you want to make this hair. Gorgeous, you're good to go. And this hair, one thing I like is lightweight, is not heavy, and it does not shear. The hair did not shear at all. It's so beautiful. You see, as I'm combing it with hot comb, the thing is just shining. Okay, don't mind that I put that wax stick. It's 5x5. You can style it the way you want. It came as C cut, okay, C part, or is it C part they call this, or straight corner part? Which way? Okay, anyone. It came like that and I like it. You can as well, if you want to like shift the parts a little to the middle, you can do that. You can also do that, okay?
But I keep everybody at a distance.
So I just added bronzer on the lace will blend my skin. Okay, you can use foundation, you can bleach the knots if you want. Okay, so that is it. It's just easy. Once you cut off the lace, you're good to go. Just style it the way you want. So gorgeous, I'm going to leave all details about the wig on the description box. If there's any discount code, I will still leave it on the description box. The direct link to this wig and their website will be on the description box, so check that out if you're interested.
Can't swim, but I sure could float. I rip the water parasite, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Yeah.
Come on, come here, boy. Come on. You freaky dog. I don't need to analyze. Every word that comes out is a lie. Make it look like you're so ice. You won't make it to the finish line. Now if you gotta know the truth, was gonna let you go. You was fine, never mind, unpredictable. Fade eye off the ground, you ain't no one. You a star, blow it up like supernova. In the nighttime, hit my hotline. Sharing secrets, you wish really was part your life. Basic bullets, with no bullets. Does your wifey know you're begging for my notice? Promise you're the same, running for the meds. Show you like my vibe, that's my candy on my wrist. Bad habits, little rabbit. Now sit down, you can have it. I see it when you walk my way. Nice big head, come on play with me. Freaky dog, got a whole lot of love for my syllable. Talking about big cash, that's the minimum. I'm done with this trash, thought to be critical. Show me your mental state